Morning children, welcome back to today's class. Today's date is 7 and session also 7. Social subject 3rd class. Okay, 3rd class children, we have learned the lesson number 2 about the maps. No, what we have learned, a globe is a model of the earth that is mounted on a stand. Globe stand paina petti untundi, rotate chestu manam anni places చూడొచ్చు. నెక్స్ట్ మ్యాప్ ఇస్ డ్రాయింగ్ ఆఫ్ ద ఎంటైర్ ఎర్త్ ఆర్ ఎ పార్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఇట్. మ్యాప్స్ గురించి కూడా నేర్చుకున్నాం కదా, అదొక డ్రాయింగ్ పేపర్ పైన. కానీ ఏంటి, మన ఇండియాని చూపిస్తుంది, వేరే కంట్రీస్ని చూపిస్తుంది, వరల్డ్ మొత్తం చూపిస్తుంది. నెక్స్ట్ దెర్ ఆర్ కాంటినెంట్స్ అండ్ ఓషన్స్ ఆన్ ద ఎర్త్. ఎర్త్ పైన ఏమేమి ఉన్నాయని నేర్చుకున్నాం మనము. వాటర్ కంటెంట్ అంతా ఓషన్స్, ల్యాండ్ కంటెంట్ అంతా కాంటినెంట్స్. అండ్ 4 మెయిన్ డైరెక్షన్స్, నార్త్, సౌత్, ఈస్ట్ అండ్ వెస్ట్. ఇదంతా మనం ఈ లెసన్లో నేర్చుకున్నాం. ఓకే, then did you go through the lesson? ఒకసారి lesson చదివారా? And did you learn words? Globe, a small model of the earth. Map, ocean, atlas, continent. I have written the homeworks and you have sent me, no? But did you learn or not? If not, today you have to learn it. Okay, now let's write, fill in the blanks. Open the textbooks. Everyone open the textbooks. Take a pencil. And here we are having fill in the blanks, no? I am reading and I will write answers on the board. You have to copy it down. Okay, ma? What is the first one? A model of the earth is called a dash. What is a model of the earth? First one. Model of the earth enti? Globe. What is the answer? Globe. A model of the earth is called a dash. So the answer is globe. Globe, globe. Next, a book of maps is called and dash. అన్ని మ్యాప్స్ ఒకే బుక్ లో ఉంటే దాన్ని ఏమంటాం మనం? అట్లస్. ATLAS, అట్లస్. Third one, sailors use a dash to find their way on the sea. sailors ఏం యూజ్ చేస్తారు సముద్రంలో వెళ్ళడానికి, వాళ్ళ వే ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయడానికి? కంపస్. COMPASS, compass. Okay, next, the dash ocean is the smallest ocean. How many oceans we have learned? Pacific Ocean, Arctic Ocean, everything we have learned now. So smallest is Arctic Ocean. Okay, so next, 5th one, large areas of land on the earth are called dash, continents. So this is the 5 in the blanks they have given in the textbook. Have a close look and write it neatly. Write the proper spelling also. Arctic Ocean is the smallest ocean. Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean. Atlantic, Indian Ocean. Globe, atlas, compass, Arctic and continents. These are the fill in the blanks. Okay, now we are having next bit as choose the right answer. They have given like this, no? The textbook next bit. Choose the right answer they have given here. First one, India is the continent of dash. Africa, Asia, Australia. India ఏ కాంటినెంట్ లో ఉంది? Africa, Asia, Australia. It is in Asia, so you have to write B. It is in Asia, so you have to write B. Next, second one, the water bodies on a map are shown in. Maps లో water bodies and land masses చూపిస్తారు. In which color they are showing? Blue, brown, yellow. Water bodies on the map always be shown in blue color. So you have to write A. Next one, the large bodies of water on the earth's surfaces are dash. On the earth's surface we are having water bodies that we have learned. And what is the large water bodies called? Seas, oceans, rivers. Oceans. So you have to write B. Next one, the smallest continent is dash. Asia, Australia, Antarctica. Which is the smallest continent here? Australia. So you have to write B. Okay. Now fifth one. Ocean is the dash. Fifth one is the largest ocean is the dash. Pacific Ocean, Indian Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Pacific Ocean. So you have to write A. Once again I am repeating ma. In the textbook you take pencil and write down here answers. Okay, here. What is the first one? India is the continent of dash. B. Asia. The water bodies on the maps are shown in dash. Blue color. A. Third one. The large water bodies on the earth's surface are oceans. Answer B. Fourth one. The smallest continent is Australia. B. Fifth one. The largest ocean is the dash. Pacific Ocean. A. So in this way we have to fill up the first bit and second bit. Now they have given the true or false. Write true or false. A map is mounted on a stand. True or false? False, because globe is mounted on a stand. So map is not mounted on a stand. So the first one is false. Write F. Okay. Next, second one. The land masses on the maps are shown in brown color. Land masses. Map lo land masses ani brown color lo it is printed in brown color. So what is it? Is it true or false? It is true. Write true. Third one. We can see all the places on the earth at the same time on a globe. No. We have to rotate the globe. Globe lo anni okay side kanipistayi manaki anni places at a time? No. You have to rotate the globe and you have to see. That means they have given false. Fourth one. The direction on the upper end of the map is the north. Always on the map, the upper direction they will show the north. True. Next, the needle in the compass always points to the south. Compass lo needle ఉంటుంది కదా అది ఎలా ఎక్కడ ఏ డైరెక్షన్ లో పాయింట్ అవుట్ చేసిందని నేర్చుకున్నాం మనం నిన్న. They are saying that it points to the south. No, it is points to the north. So it is false. So in this way we have finished the classwork. Right? First bit, second bit, third bit. 3 bits we have written as a CW. Now we'll write the HW. Okay, only one question I am going to write on the board. Same thing you have to write as a HW. What is the first question? What is a map? Write its uses. Okay, this I am going to write on the board. Now take out the notebook. You have to take out the notebook now. This you have to write in the textbook with a pencil. Now take out the notebook. Write first question. Put heading CW. Okay. What is a map? What is a map? Write its uses. Write its uses. What is a map? Write its uses. Answer. CW one time and HW one time. Okay. A map is a drawing of the entire earth or a part of it. So what is the use of a map? A map helps us to find out. Next line we'll write. Okay. A map help us to find our way easily in a new place. Okay, this is the answer. What is a map? Write its uses. A map is a drawing of the entire earth or a part of it. A map helps us to find out our way easily in a new place. Okay. This is a CW one time and same as CW is your homework one time. Right, children? Thank you.